So, we can talk about anger misfiring, and we can talk about anxiety being triggered by things that it didn't really need to be triggered by. But anger, nonetheless, as an overall emotion, as a system, evolved for a reason. And anxiety as an overall system evolved for a reason. And so I think the distinction for us when we look at these emotions is often the system will have evolved to serve a function, but it can still misfire. It can still be overactive or underactive. It can still maybe have a too sensitive threshold for being triggered, or it can be triggered in the wrong context. And so there are certainly ways in which the emotion can misfire and misfire maladaptively, while the system itself still is functional and evolved for a reason. But that's true of our immune systems. That's true of our memory. These things evolved for a reason. They can still make mistakes and misfire as well.
Beyond the insight that your understanding of your emotions and where they come from can help you to not feel so personally cursed in having to deal with these things, even when they get it wrong, or they fire when you don't want them to.